This image came out of India where a sitting chief minister of a state, he pulled out niqab of a woman with this kind of humiliation. The woman, she is a doctor, she is educated. She was there to receive an award from her chief minister. And that guy is chief minister for 20 years. He is a very senior politician, and yet he did this kind of a thing that is nowhere acceptable from anyone. Yes, now we can say that this chief minister, he doesn't know ethics. He doesn't know how to behave with the women in public. And when that woman, she has a different belief than you have, that is allowed by your constitution, that she can have that kind of attire if she wants. We can say a bunch of things for this chief minister. But here, if you go a bit deeper, it's not the chief minister who is the problem. The problem here is that he is doing that and still he feels it's okay. And that is the failure of Indian Muslims, that you were never, ever able to show a protest against this kind of humiliation that is happening with you in India. See, they have built a narrative against you. They're continuously tagging you as terrorists, and you were completely failed to reverse that narrative. And it's because nowhere you are in your country in a position that you can counter this narrative. And that is the problem with our Muslim community all over the world. We are nowhere in a situation that we can counter that. And that's why almost all over the world, not only in India, we have been tagged as terrorists. So if we want to blame those people who are doing this, we can. No one would stop us blaming them. But can we counter them effectively? And to counter them, the first thing that we have to know is about ourselves. What are we? What are our religion? What do we exactly need to follow? I see in some videos, some guys somewhere in the US or somewhere, they're arguing with people from other religion to teach them Islam. No, that's how you don't teach people Islam. In Qur'an, Allah said, do not argue with those people who does not share a same belief like you. So don't argue with them, but instead try to attract them. And when they will be attracted towards you, when they will see because of that, you are having this. What I mean by this, when they would see that because you are a Muslim, you follow your religion, and because you follow this, you have achieved this, that, and that. And believe me, if we follow our religion properly, we will be achieving anything we want. And that's how we have to build our narrative, to focus on our religion, to know our religion, to perform everything that is instructed in our religion. Stop being ignorant. Start reading Qur'an, start reading Hadith. Discuss among friends about those. Share ideas and make an environment where all we can sit and talk. Make more relationship between young Muslim people from different countries and start being nice as is instructed in Qur'an to other people, to people from other religion, other belief. So conclude, I heard this woman, she has decided not to be practicing as a doctor anymore. She does not want to be in public life anymore. But I would say to her that if you take yourself back with an incident like this, it won't help you and Islam in any way. You have to make him sorry for what he has done. And believe me, he won't be feeling sorry if you sit back. But he would be if you are coming and showing that what you believe, that is your belief, and you respect that.